You know, one of the best and easiest ways to add more plants to your garden and landscape is to take cuttings and root them out for free. And when it comes to tomato plants, there is nothing easier than taking those suckers that are always present on the parent plant. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take those suckers to make more tomato plants, and it's a snap to do. Now, in the vegetable garden, there may be the easiest way that I know of to make more plants, at least with tomatoes, and that's to root out suckers. Now, if you don't know what a sucker is, it's that growth that emerges at a 45-degree angle from the main stem and the side branch. It's always at 45 degrees, and you can see there's the main stem, the side branch, that's that 90-degree angle, and there is the sucker. And that's going to be a plant you can put in the ground, rooted out in about 2 weeks. And when you take the sucker off the plant, you don't even need to cut it out, you can just snap it off. And here's how you do it. All you do is you reach in there, get some support if you can, and just go ahead and get your thumb in front, your forefinger behind it, and snap it towards you. Off it comes. Now, all you need to do is root this into a pot of moist soil, and then keep it in the shade for about 2 weeks so it has time to not stress out, because remember, it doesn't have any roots. I take insurance policies all the time to make more plants, and if something goes wrong, I've got backups from my favorite plants, and this happens to be a sun gold variety, and I have about 10 of those in here. I love sun gold. And look at this. This was I took this a month ago, so this is a sucker that was snapped off a month ago, and look how much it's grown. It was about the same size, maybe even smaller, but as you can see, it already has tomato plants on it. So I'll be getting this into its own container to live full time and grow out. So I've got a lot more sun gold tomatoes, and those are looking great, and it was so easy to do.